The top 7 benefits of maca root, an amazing adaptogenic herb. Have you ever heard of maca root? Have you ever used it in your diet? Do you know why? People have been cultivating this Peruvian plant for over 3,000 years in the extreme conditions of the Andes Mountains. This superfood is gaining popularity and has popped up in everything from smoothies and supplements to cosmetics. So how does it work for men and women? As a caffeine-free, plant-based superfood, it's hard not to love maca. Not only can maca root contribute to overall well-being, but it is also believed to balance hormone levels, maintain energy, and support a healthy libido. Let's dive into its benefits and see how amazing this root might prove to you. Number 1. Sexual function and libido. Maca has positive effects on issues like low sexual desire and erectile dysfunction. Number 2. Maca for memory and concentration. Apart from boosting mood, maca improves memory, learning, and brain function. One key reason for this could be that maca helps regulate the hypothalamus pituitary gland, which plays a vital role in focus and energy balance. Number 3. Maca for improving mood. Many studies have shown black maca's mood-boosting abilities. Maca is known to contain plant compounds called flavonoids, which help with symptoms of anxiety and depression, mainly in postmenopausal women. Number 4. Reduce blood pressure. It is possible that maca root can also help to improve blood pressure. One 2015 study shows that 3.3 grams of maca per day for 12 weeks lowered blood pressure in Chinese postmenopausal women. Number 5. Reduce erectile dysfunction. Maca root could also have benefits for people with erectile dysfunction, or ED. Number 6. Maca for energy and endurance. Maca is very popular amongst athletes and those who enjoy bodybuilding, as maca elevate performance, help gain muscle, and increase strength, stamina, and endurance. Number 7. Reduce sun damage. Maca might help protect the skin from UV rays. An animal study shows that extracts from maca leaves might help prevent the formation of sunburn cells. Black maca's ability to promote, stabilize, and regulate glucose and metabolism could be one reason for helping to combat fatigue and positively impact energy and mood. There are some key points which will show you why this root has gained so much importance. Number 1. People have been cultivating this Peruvian plant for over 3,000 years in the extreme conditions of the Andes Mountains. Number 2. Brimming with powerful nutrients, maca is known to boost energy and stamina, balance hormones, promote fertility, give you a sharp mind, and support a healthy libido. Number 3. Black maca root has demonstrated to have higher antioxidant effects and benefits as compared to red and yellow maca. Number 4. Maca is known to increase stamina, libido, boost fertility, and build sperm count in men. And the most crucial point, for women, maca helps balance hormones, increases libido, boosts energy, and alleviates fatigue and menopausal symptoms. So, to wrap it up, maca has a range of potential health benefits, particularly for sexual health. So add maca to your diet and let us know what benefits you get out of this fantastic plant. If you like our video, hit the like and subscribe button to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Here are 2 more videos on the screen you should check out. This will help you achieve your health and fitness goals. See you in our next video.